What do you get when you cross a Dromida touring car with a Dromida monster truck? We are gonna find out. So here's our finished product, the cross between the Dromida rally car and the Dromida monster truck. You can see over here, basically we took off the wheels, we took off the suspension set front and rear, and had to change out the dog bones. And we replaced those with the monster truck version of the front and rear suspension, the suspension arms. Obviously the dog bones had to be replaced because this whole unit is significantly longer than the cars. So that's what we did, but it still has the car bumper. Took some body work, had to carve out the wheel wells quite a bit to get that to fit on. So, but otherwise, that is what it looks like. And we'll go out and run it, and we'll get to see what that looks like a little bit later. Oh, it's not turning. There it goes. Oh, I don't know why it's not turning right.